So today I've collected these cleavers and also some woodruff. See the slightly different shapes of the leaves and number of leaves on each whorl. They're quite similar and I'm always looking out for them. Some of the first new things start coming up and I'd like to show that in my journal. So on this page I'm thinking to create some soil across here and then press these, see how they come out in the press, and see if I can get them to look like they're emerging from the soil in this way. And they are quite dry, so I'm going to get them into the press. This is also a really good opportunity to look and see how my other leaves are coming on. So my celandine leaves and my herb robert. I don't know how well these are going to flatten out. We'll just have to try it. There's plenty of cleavers and woodruff around, so if it doesn't work this first time I could always have another go. To try and make sure I can preserve these whorls. Today I'm filling in the weather first for yesterday's foraging trip, and I'm delighted to be able to say that at last I can change the symbol. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Devon. Yesterday, while I was foraging for the willow, I also gathered some cleavers and some woodruff. Now I'm going to make some soil for them on this page. So just as we prepare a seed bed for real plants, I'm going to prepare a soil for my pressed cleavers and woodruff to grow out of. So I've got here some lovely rich humusy soil, and it's just the sort of thing that I want to try and recreate on my page. So I'm just going to let this dry and then add another coat. Alright, all dried out, time for another layer. I'm going to let this one dry and then I'm going to add one more coat today. Then I'll allow these to evaporate off a little bit, especially this shallow one, and I'll use the darker colour to do the deepest, darkest shadows inside my pot of soil. So there we go, I think I'm happy with the soil that I've made in this on this journal page. I think that this is going to look really good with my pressed flowers growing out of it. So with that and the good weather, I'm going to get out journaling for the afternoon. And you can see the video of that tomorrow on the Daily Nature Journal. So as always, please do like and subscribe and come and join in tomorrow.